Thank you for contacting Mastar Copier. We are one of the leading importers of reconditioned photocopy machines in Sri Lanka, offering used black and white machines from trusted brands like Toshiba and Ricoh. We also supply laminating machines, binding machines, toners, and other consumables. Our head office is in Negombo with branches in Nathandia, Shilau, Wattala, and Batikalo. Our new branches are opening soon in Puttalam and Kuliapitiya. With a team of skilled technicians, we provide high-quality machines and reliable customer support. Mastar Copier. Join us today for better business.